Morning students, today we shall discuss our fourth topic, arithmetic progression. We will revise this chapter. In this chapter, what is the definition of an AP? Now what is an AP? In an AP, if numbers are differ by a same number, it means difference between each consecutive number like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 up to so on. These numbers are given to us. In this case, what is the difference between these numbers? Like consecutive numbers means 4 minus 2, difference is equal to 2. 6 minus 4, this is also equal to 2 and up to so on. In this case, difference between each consecutive pair is same. So we can say that these numbers form an AP. Now in this case, we always denote general term by an, and what is the formula, what is the value of this an? A plus n minus 1 into d. Next is the general form of an AP. Now what is the general form of an AP? A plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d up to so on. This is the general form of an AP. In this case, a is a first term and d is the common difference. Okay. Now if we and this is the formula for the nth term, or we can say that the general term of an AP. Nth term or general term. Okay. Now in any question, if suppose a, d and n are given to us, and we want to find out the how many number of terms exist in this AP. It means we want to find out the value of n. Okay. So in this case, we always use this formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now next one is the question is of the type that we have to find out the sum of n terms of an AP. Sum of n terms, we denote this value by Sn. Sn means sum of first n terms of an AP. So Sn is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula of Sn. Now here n stand for the number of term, a is for first term, d is the common difference. If we know about these values, then we can find out the value of Sn. If suppose we want to find out the sum of 10 terms of an AP or the 12 terms of an AP, in that case n is equal to 10 or 12. It depends on the condition, the question, the condition which we want to find out. Next is also we have one more formula is exists for Sn, for sum. Sn is n by 2 a plus n. A stand here for the first term and L for the last term. So first and last, if these two terms are given to us, then we can find out the value of Sn. But in each case, n is a must. Means if we know about the value of n, only then we can find out the sum. So these three formula first, second, these two formula exist for the sum, and this is the general term. Only these formulas we have to use in our chapter. Now in this case, what is the meaning of Sn here? Sn is first sum of first n terms. If we write down here S2, so what is the meaning of here S2? S2 is sum of first two terms of an AP, and in this case, sum of first two terms of an AP, that is A1 plus A2, sum of first two terms. Okay, this is the notation for S2 means sum of first two terms. Similarly, S3 sum of first three terms of an AP. And in this case, these are the notation. First term we denote it by A1, second term we denote by A2, A3 up to so on. So these are the only notation for the number of for the terms. So in this case, A1 means this is equal to A. A1 means first term is equal to A. A2 is equal to A plus D. So A3 is equal to A plus 2D. Similarly, in between somewhere we obtain an minus 1, an and up to so on. up to so on. What is the meaning of this term? That this is an infinite AP. Infinite AP, it means there is no any limitation of the numbers of the terms. They can be infinitely. So here in between we obtain here an, and what will be the value of an, so on. If here number is 3, then we are using here 2. If number is 2, then we are using here 1. It means 1 less than this number. So a n value will be equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, and this is our general term. So these are the terms and we have to use in our questions.